Hey guys, so today I bought my very first cutting machine, the Silhouette Cameo 4, and I'm just going to show you guys how I managed to survive making stickers with this thing. Alright, let's get started. This method is easy, quick, and sloppy, so if you guys want a better way of doing this that's a little bit more clean, check out my minute-long how to make sticker outlines video. I'm doing it this way because I do all my work in Photoshop, and if you don't use Photoshop, I don't recommend doing it this way. Oh, and this tutorial is really fast-paced, so if you hate fast videos, this isn't for you. And P.S. the pause button is free. First, open up Photoshop, create a new document at 300 dpi, then import your sticker art. If it has a white background or any background, just get rid of it by whatever means you need to use. Like the magic wand tool, it works quick and easy for white backgrounds. Here are all my stickers laid out in Photoshop with absolutely no background and each in their own layer. For this method, make sure that all your stickers are spaced out. What I usually do is I resize and then individually space them all out on the canvas. Option 1 is to choose one of your stickers, go down to where it says FX, choose stroke, and then adjust the size. And you can do this for each and every single one individually. Or if you have enough space between all your stickers, and by the way, make sure there's enough space, go ahead and select all of your stickers that do not have a stroke. So select and then shift and then Command G. That makes a group. And in that group, go to FX, stroke, and then it will add a stroke to all of them at once, simultaneously. And as you can see, some of mine is overlapping because I do not have enough space between my stickers. So I'm going to resize and space them out some more. To add more stroke to one sticker, Command click, and then add a stroke individually. Go down to FX, stroke. Now you can increase or decrease the size. And I'm just going to add a little bit more to this one sticker. And that's it. When you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and save it as PNG. Great, this part is optional, but if you want to make sticker sheets and the sticker backing, open a new document. For me, I'm making it 4 by 6 inches at 300 dpi. The backing is easy, you can always change the size later on. Click Create. Click on the lock to unlock the background, and then also click on the eye to hide it because we don't want the background. Choose the shape tool. I chose the rounded rectangle. I'm going to drag it across my canvas and fill the background with white. Also, get rid of any stroke if you don't want any. I don't want a stroke, so I'm just going to remove the stroke option. Add some text and whatever artistic elements you want on the background. I'm just going to drag in some text that I already created. Voila! Go to File and then save it as a PNG when you're done. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Open Silhouette Cameo. Click the page setup icon at the top right. Make sure your settings pretty much look like mine. I'm using 8.5 by 11 sticker paper. My orientation is set to landscape and both of my borders are checked. Alright, now open Finder or File Explorer and drag in your sticker backing and your stickers. And as you guys can see, they are cut ready. No need to trace or anything. Now drag your sticker to your backing and you can select both of them at once and then drag to resize them together. Now this is just me. I'm going to go ahead, click my sticker only, Command C and then Command V to copy it over to the other side. One side is going to be a sticker sheet while the other side is going to be die cut stickers. So we're going to differentiate our cuts by colors. The red color outline is going to mean cutting all the way through the paper, die cut. The green color outline is going to be just kiss cutting the paper, so not all the way through. Click on the stickers you'd like to kiss cut, go to the top rectangle, and then choose the color green. So now we can tell which stickers are being kiss cut and which are being die cut. If you want professional die cut stickers, go ahead and add a kiss cut instead of your die cut. Click your sticker and then go to the starfish icon on the right hand side. Then click on internal offset. You'll see this extra outline. Just adjust the sizing. For me, I'm going to lower it a little bit more, just slightly, just so it doesn't take over the whole white portion. Now I'm going to go back to the rectangle area and choose the same exact green color that I chose for my other kiss cut sticker. Now you should have 2 green cut lines on each side. Now go to page setup at the top right and go to the third icon at the top. Make sure on is checked. Now you can see your registration marks. make sure that your stickers aren't touching the line, and if they are, go to advanced and just adjust anywhere that is touching. For me it's the left, so I'm just going to move that to the side, and the top is touching a little bit, so I'm just going to move the top just a little bit to be safe. And that's it. Click on send at the top. Make sure lines is selected. As you can see, we have our red and green cut lines. For the green color, I'm going to choose my matte Kiss Cut sticker paper setting. My force is set to 12 and my speed is set to 8, and that's what works for me for the Kiss Cut. The red color will cut through the paper. It's my die cut, so I'm going to choose the cardstock plain option. For some reason, my silhouette only cuts through the paper with that setting. This might actually cut through your little matte thingy, but that's what worked for me. Alright, go to the little icon on the top left and print a preview of your art, your stickers. And if you like the colors, use that same sticker paper or whatever you use to test your cuts, test your blade. Alright, so at this point you guys are pretty much done, and you can stop here unless you guys want to see me using this with the silhouette myself. Okay. Do you see the nightmare this thing put me through? Alright, so first you're going to push back the lid of your silhouette Cameo. Sometimes it gets stuck for me. Then take your cutting mat. As you guys can see, mine is all jacked up from testing so many different cuts and blades and stuff. Make sure your mat is completely aligned with this line right here. Push down the lever and make sure that you adjust the roller by pushing down on the gray button and sliding it across the bar until it reaches the pointing up arrows. And then pull the lever right back up. Alright, so here's my finished sticker paper. I like the colors, and keep in mind that in this version I do not have the registration marks on. I took them off for this one, and I'm going to stick it onto the mat. Make sure that it's fully aligned or else your life is over. It's not going to cut properly. So next up, we're just going to load by clicking this up arrow right here. Next, go back to your Silhouette Cameo software and hit send. I'm just gonna do its thing. The cuts are decent at best without the registration marks. I peel it off by hand since I don't have any fancy tools, but it still came out how I wanted it to. And keep in mind, your stickers are going to be bent the way that this comes out of the mat. Just take something heavy to flatten it down, like a book or something. Here's the version with the registration marks, and the cuts are absolutely perfect. I love them, especially the die cut stickers. On the left side is a die cut Kiss Cut sticker, and on the right side is the regular die cut. And as you guys can see, it's really hard to peel it off the regular die cut. I have to fold it and it leaves this ugly edge, but the Kiss Cut die cut sticker, I can just easily peel it back. And that is why I recommend using this method for your die cut stickers. I'm going to do this one more time with 2 other stickers, and the Kiss Cut die cut is so easy to peel, whereas the regular requires a bit more effort. It depends on the sticker paper you use though. This is online labels. Next is this sticker sheet that I accidentally messed up while taking it off, but it still does the job. It can still easily peel from the backing, like so. But dang it, I creased it since I was so impatient. But that's okay, because here's my other sticker sheet that I flattened earlier, and I love the results. Thanks for watching my sticker video, and I hope it helped those of you who use Photoshop. I hope the learning curve wasn't too hard, because it's 2 AM and this was the easiest method for me. Alright, hopefully see you guys next time.